Hey everybody, welcome to Apex Syndicates. So I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about Monad. I've made a few videos on Monad in the past. I've been very bullish on them. I was looking forward to their launch, and well, the time has come. They actually have launched, and I think they're holding up very well considering these market conditions. So let's dig into Monad. So Monad is a basically layer one blockchain that's EVM compatible. It's built for scale and it's very fast, very efficient. Over 10,000 transactions per second, lightning fast, lightning speeds at fractions of the cost of any other platform or layer one out there, in my opinion. Now, the thing I like about Monad, and like I said, I've mentioned this before, this is not a deep dive video, not financial advice, so always do your own research and do your own due diligence, but I'm just telling you what I see, feel, think, and why I'm personally investing in Monad. I've been buying it from launch. I think I got in some good prices, and I'm going to continue to buy it and hold it, and I'm going to be staking it. I'm actually going to be staking this through the Atlantis platform. I'll touch base on that briefly towards the end of this video, but there's some great rewards that can be made over there right now, staking the Monad token in the Atlantis ecosystem. So that's a decentralized DEX on Monad. But let's stick with Monad right now. One of the things I really liked about Monad is the fact that it is somewhat US compliant. It's basically, this was the first token that was ever launched through Coinbase with a token offering public sale to US citizens. So what does this tell me? This means that they are somewhat US compliant. That means that there's not going to be a lot of red tape for developers and for people that want to build and develop on the blockchain. And why is this important? And I said, I've stated this before, but where are all of the big tech companies? Amazon, Google, eBay, I don't know, Netflix, list goes on and on. I mean, just, where are all the big tech companies located? Well, they're located in Silicon Valley in the United States for the most part. Now, I mean, there are other tech startups, throughout the world, but I would say it's very condensed and it's very controlled. It is a US based kind of economy. So why is it important to have a blockchain that is somewhat US compliant? Well, if I was a Web 2 company, Google, Amazon, Netflix, eBay, whatever, I don't know. I'm just pulling out names out of my butt. Who would I develop on? Would I develop on a platform that wasn't somewhat US compliant? Or would I look for the platform that is somewhat US compliant and regulated, which I would believe to be Monad, in my personal opinion? Because of it, a lot of the things that's happened. Like I said, there's big US hedge funds that got into this and helped support it from the beginning. So a lot of very big money from the US has helped create this. And that, for me, gives me confidence that Monad will be, I think, a bit of a leader in the space on some levels, okay? So these are all just my personal thoughts and opinions, but I highly recommend you come over and check it out yourself. They've got some great blogs. They've got some great, videos, great interviews. See if you see what I see, so they have a great Discord. You can get information on X and just come over here and join their ecosystem. Get involved. See if you see what I see. And one of the things that I was just blown away by is the size of their community. They've been building this for years and it shows. I mean, they have 1.3 million followers on X. That is no small feat, and very amazing engagements. It's a very strong, almost I would even say cult-like community. This is important because a successful blockchain cryptocurrency needs a strong community. It needs that cult-like atmosphere where the people are just, they are maxis, you know what I mean? And that really is what I start to see in Monad. They said that the more I dig into it, the more I look at it, it is a very strong belief community. Okay. So this is another reason I'm very bullish on Monad. So right now, at the time of recording this video, Monad is at a 0.029 cent token price. Still above the public sale offering, which is fantastic. It's sitting at a $316 million market cap, fully diluted around 2.9 billion. Now, I truly do believe in the coming years and the coming cycles that Monad will be a top 10, top 15, top 20 player in the crypto game for all of the reasons I've stated before. Like right now it's ranked, 212. So this is why I've been loading up on Monad, is because I do believe that this will move up through the ranks. I do believe that Monad will get up there and be battling with, projects like Solana or, even, should I say, Ethereum. It might not get quite to those levels, but I do believe it can be a mainstream player. I think, like I said, I think you can see Monad in that top 15, top 20 pretty easily because of the way it's going to be built and structured for developers. And I think that you're going to see a lot of big tech companies starting to looking at Monad just because of the ease of regulation and so many other things. So those are just my personal thoughts and opinions on Monad and why I think it's a great opportunity, and I've been loading up on it. So I had mentioned before about staking your Monad token. So right now you can come over to the Atlantis DEX. Atlantis is a decentralized exchange, and I am a big believer in Atlantis because Atlantis is a V4 DEX built on Monad for Monad, and it's just going to be absolutely amazing. But right now you can come over here and you can stake your Monad in a vault, Monad to USDC, and you're getting 55% APR. I mean, this is absolutely fantastic. They also have some other pairs, some other things that you can get into, but this right here, I mean, straight USDC, 30%. But I love this right here. And actually, I've put my money in here. This is what I'm playing with right now, making some insane gains just for sitting here doing nothing. So if you are in Monad and you are looking to sit on it for the long haul, you might want to take a look at Atlantis and their V4 pools and get involved, because I'm telling you right now, you're not going to get these kind of returns anywhere else. So like I said, I'm bullish on Monad, I'm bullish on Atlantis, I'm bullish on the ecosystem, and I really do think that this has huge potential for this cycle. I think we'll see some major things happening in Q1 2026, and I think we'll see amazing things throughout the coming cycles for the Monad and the Monad ecosystem. Now, these are, just like I said, my personal thoughts and opinions, not financial advice. I'm just telling you guys what I see, what I feel, what I think, and what I'm investing in, where I'm putting my money, what I'm doing. That's why I make these videos. So if this stuff is interesting, do me a big favor, like, subscribe, comment, follow me on X. No risk, all reward. We also have a free Telegram chat. We would love to have you over there. It's an amazing place to be. And we also have a Patreon. We'll also leave links in the description below. We'd love to have you as our part of our private community. So everybody, have a great day. Don't forget to smile, pick up some Monad, and there's a good chance we'll see you on the moon. Take care, everybody.